Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, this will be a fun and exciting video because we will be trying out the newest drop from Issey, which is their collaboration with their creative visionary and makeup artist, Slow Lopez. Tingnan nyo naman guys, gaano kaganda and ka-colorful itong mga palettes na to. Like, it will really provoke you to be creative. Like, it will spark imagination. Wow! But really, I don't know, this is something that excites me because honestly, walang masyadong ganitong mga loud, vibrant colors and shimmers na existing in the local market. So basically, this collection is an extension of their single press shadows. You can buy it individually or you can buy this curated palettes. And ang alam ko, limited edition lang to. So, hindi siya nandyan forever, mga sis. Okay, mag-start muna tayo dito kay Scream palette, which obviously has very colorful options. And lahat sila matte. So, walang shimmers dito sa palette na to. So, from the top, we have Blank, which is a white starch. We have Subdue, which is a beige sandstone. I like how they incorporated as in straight up white and beige na shade because white can actually make the colors pop more. And si beige naman, you can use it to desaturate a little. I don't know if it's the right term. Yung mga colors. And then of course, we have Edgy, which is a red alert. We have Hazard, which is a perilous yellow. We have Arsenic, which is a toxic green. We have Squirt, which is a cerulean shower. We have Pool, which is a blue lagoon. I like this color. We have Ultraviolet, which is an indigo dye. We have Plastic, which is an eccentric pink. We have Shock, which is a feral magenta. We have Create, which is an offbeat purple. This is also very nice. And lastly, we have Nightshade, which is a poisonous violet. Look at those colors. Happy Pride. Charot. Pero ang ganda ng mga kulay. And ang napansin ko whilst watching them, hindi sila ma-fall out. Like, when you touch them, it's very buttery. And for me, bihira ako maka-encounter ng ganong formulation, lalo na with very vibrant, as in colorful eyeshadows. And talagang kapit siya sa skin. And next, we have the Surreal palette, which has the shimmers and the chromes. Ang ganda guys, grabe. There's actually a reason why they are grouped into 4, so it's very intentional. Per row na yan, iba-iba yung finishes nila. Although lahat sila merong shimmers, merong metallics, merong chromes. So these are the duochrome shifters. So as you can see, kapag ginaganon, it's kind of two-toned. So nag-iiba-iba yung colors niya. So later naman sa swatch, mas makikita nyo. And on this row naman, you have the foiled neutrals. So ito, meron siyang base. So base and then shimmer. And then lastly are the electric metals. So ito naman is more of a saturated suspension of vibrant na metallic base and shimmer. So these are all the swatches. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Wala akong masabi sa texture, sa feels, sa lapat niya on the skin. So first is the shade Delirium, which is a pink flare. And ginagano ko siya para makita niyo yung pagka-duochrome niya. Next, we have Shapeshift, which is an acidic lemonade. Next is one of my favorites. This is Metamorphosis, which is a holographic butterfly. Ang cute din yung description. Next, we have Chameleon, which is a shifting camouflage. And then next, dito na tayo sa foiled neutrals. This one is in Lurex, which is a metallic yarn. This one is in Fool's Gold, which is an iridescent mineral. This is in Patina, which is an oxidized bronze. Next, we have Alloy, which is a sparkly rosé. And then lastly, dito tayo sa electric metals. Ang gaganda rin ito, guys. So this is Enamor, which is a feverish rose quartz. Next, we have Monarch, which is a gilded crown. I also like this. So, napagbaliktad ko lang tong dalawa. So, this is in Electronica, which is a magnetic cobalt. Look at that richness of color. And wala siyang masyadong fallouts, ha? Like, itong lahat ng to, talagang dikit siya sa skin. And lastly, we have Absinthe, which is a green fairy. Ang ganda ng undertone din ito for a green. All the shades are very, very, very nice. Talagang it will take your brain to be more creative. Talagang ilalabas niyo yung creativity mo, yung imagination mo. Like ako, looking and swatching all of these shades, meron ako kagad mga na-imagine na gusto kong gawin na looks. And aside dun sa eyeshadows, they also release itong color-enhancing eyeshadow base. So, merong black and merong white. Para saan nga ba si color-enhancing base? So, from the name itself, of course, number 1, it can enhance the color. So, yung white, it will make the color pop more. And then yung black, it will make yung mga shimmers, especially, pop more as well. And at the same time, itong color-enhancing base can also help for smoother eyeshadow application. And it can also add yung intensity and dimension sa eyeshadows. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung difference kapag walang eyeshadow base and kapag meron. So, dito tayo sa shade na blue. So, this is without the eyeshadow base. As you can see, since maganda nga yung formulation, maganda pa rin talaga yung color payoff. But, just to compare, ayan, kita nyo, isang ganun pa lang, Ang layo na kagad nung difference when it comes to the pop of color kapag merong white eyeshadow base. This is without, kasi yung pinaka-base na is just the color of my skin. So, it's just beige. And kapag white, mas nagpo-pop siya. And when it comes to the black base, so lagay natin dito yung walang eyeshadow base. Kita pa rin naman, as you can see, but with the black eyeshadow base. OMG, as in, kita nyo agad yung difference. See? Mas enhance yung chromeness, yung pagka-foiled, yung shimmers. Again, ito yung wala. Pwede pa rin naman if the look calls for it or if ganun yung preference nyo. But you need less effort for the color and the shimmers to pop kapag merong eyeshadow base. Okay, naka-white ako ngayon and I have pearl earrings kasi, I don't know, for some reason, parang gusto kong gumawa ng icy blue or basta blue na base na eyeshadow. Of course, let's start with the color-enhancing eyeshadow base in white. Actually, grabe, a little goes a long way with the eyeshadow base. It's very blendable naman, kaya huwag kayong matakot. I'm just blending it with my fingers. Parang pwede na ako dyan. Charot. Madali siyang i-blend tapos hindi siya patchy and dikit kagad siya talaga sa eyelids. Para siyang concealer but with a grippier texture. So, I want to use the shade Blank, the white starch shade, since gusto ko talagang mag-pop yung blue na ilalagay ko. Oh, alam niyo yung makeup na gusto kong gawin? Yung para tayo yung welcoming committee sa heaven. Okay, I like the white shade kasi hindi siya patchy and hindi siya, again, hindi ma-fall out. So next, the star of the show, which is in the shade Pool. This one, Wish Me Luck. First time ko lang gagawin to, pero matagal ko nang gusto i-try itong look na to. Unti-unti tayo. Oh, I like it. Actually, napaka-effortless niyang ilagay sa eyes. Lalo na kung na-blend yun ng maganda and at the right places yung eyeshadow base. As in, magkikling siya doon. Pero hindi yung kling na parang nakadikit na siya na hindi nyo na mabiblend. Basta may teamwork sila ng eyeshadow base. Alam nyo, now that we're here, parang gusto ko siyang haluan ng purple shade. Okay, let's try kahit dito lang sa outer part. This shade in Create. Kahit here lang. Oh, it's nice. Good choice, good choice. Ah, I like it. Ang ganda talaga ng combination ng blue and purple. Okay, there you go. Ang ganda. Again, this is Pool and Create. Okay na ako sa combination ng color ni Pool and Create. So now, let's add shimmers. Actually, favorite ko talaga to sa swatch pa lang. Itong si Metamorphosis. Pero gusto ko na yung pagka-matte niya. So I will just try to add si Metamorphosis on my inner corners. Haha, grabe. Natutuwa ako. Na-happy ako. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. Lalagay ko lang din siya dito sa parang inner corners pataas para medyo magbe-blend siya dito sa inner part ng eyeshadow. Ang ganda mga sis. Parang na tayo naging fairy. Parang ganun yung atake ng eyeshadow natin. I think I want a little shape shift this shade. So, tatry ko lang mag-add ng konti on this part. And also here. I love it. I'll try to intensify a little lang yung blue. So I'll just finish the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. I am back and this is the look. Obsessed. Like, ang ganda mga sis. So, ang ginawa ko lang, naglagay ako ng mascara, eyeliner, blush, lips, and pinolosh ko lang yung powder ko, and that's it. Inayos ko lang ng konti hair ko para bagay naman sa look natin. First of all, ang pinaka natutuwa ako is that this does something to me that it makes me feel happy. It sparks joy, it sparks creativity, imagination. Kaya parang it's just very easy to create something out of it. Kasi nga, parang nakaka-inspire siyang tignan. And looking at it now, ang dami ko na ng iba pang imaginal looks na definitely I will do after this video. I love how vibrant it is and definitely naka-help talaga yung white base in order for the blue and the purple to show up as poppy as it looks. Super happy ko sa look natin today. Parang gusto ko siyang irampa pero ang lakas ng ulan sa labas mga sis. But for me, not just because I have these two palettes, I highly recommend that you get the palettes if it's within your budget. And kung mahilig kayo mag-play with eyeshadows, it's really worth it. Ang ganda ng formula, ang ganda ng set of colors. Although if hindi pa kayo ready mag-invest into a full palette, you can definitely buy yung singles nila and you can mix it with your existing palettes from Essie. see. And ako, definitely, my favorite shades are what I use for this look. Itong si Cool, itong si Create, si Delirium, si Shapeshift, and si Metamorphosis. Yan yung so far mga favorites ko. And also si Blank Palayas. Malaki rin natulong niya as a base dito sa look natin. A moment for today's look. The lighting doesn't give justice. Wala din kasi masyadong natural lighting ngayon since maulan. But ayan, as you can see, nagpipeek through yung pagka-dual chrome nung shimmers natin. It's really, really, really nice. I'm very, very happy with this collection. The formula is very, very nice from the mattes to the shimmers to the different kinds of shimmers. Wala akong masabi. Wala akong reklamo sa collection ito. And by the way, part of this collection pala, they now have a sleeve dun sa mga palette. So, they have it in silver and this one in red. So, nilalagay ko itong si silver dun sa mga shimmers natin since this is chrome. And si red, since this is a pop of color dito kay Scream palette. So, madali mong ma-distinguish which is which and it's also very aesthetic. Sana magdagdag pa sila ng maraming shades. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope nakatulong itong video na to sa inyo guys. As usual, lahat naman ng links ang ginamit natin will be listed in the description box below. And kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video as well. Stay safe everyone dahil lagi nang maulan ngayon and stay healthy and I hope to still see you in my next videos. Bye-bye!